Thank you for coming along on a quick video tour of an interior room on the Carnival Conquest. Now, most of their interior rooms are laid out very similar in this manner. You walk right into a short little hallway with the closets on the right and the bathroom on the left, or vice versa depending on the orientation of the room. And right when you're right into the main bedroom living area, as you see, there's the bed and then the nightstand, lamp on each side of the bed. Now, I will say the lamps did have USB plugs, which is a nice feature to have, so you don't need to worry about the one outlet that's in the room on the vanity. Now, come right in here as you see the mini fridge that is empty. They no longer stock items in the mini fridge. Look along the right side of the bed, and then to turn around looking at the hallway, the desk entertainment area with flat screen TV, the little safe area, and then the room does come with bottled water, closet setup with the shelves, the extra bedding, life jackets, closets to hang clothes, and then the other closet, more room for hanging clothes and space to store the luggage. And then just a little view of the bathroom. Standard setup. They got the little shelves on each side. And the small shower that they always have on cruise ships. And then just the other side of the bathroom and the underneath area. Thank you very much for watching just this quick tour of an interior room on the Carnival Conquest.